Welcome to my cooking show with Hugh Jackman. My name is Hugh Jackman. So today we are going to be cooking a dessert. For my dessert, you're going to need some pretty basic items. Cheerios, bananas, get some crunchy peanut butter, berries, 100% creatine, and some pumpkin pie. Step 1. Make sure you clear your workspace for you to work, you know what I mean? Step 2. Step 3. Now get a small plate. If you want, you can get a bigger one, but I'm going to use a small one. Step 4. Now grab a knife to cut your pie. Here is my piece. That looks really good. And step 5. Get your bananas. Make sure you have a cutting board so you don't hurt yourself. Bananas. And sometimes I like to leave it peeled just like this when I'm snacking on bananas. But for this, you can take the whole thing off. The whole peel. You peel the whole banana. There we go. How neat is that? It's funny because sometimes the banana gets stuck to the knife. Like this. That's usually unintentional. Now make sure you use all of your banana so you don't waste anything. Think of the kids who can't afford bananas. Six. So I just like to sprinkle this on. Now if you don't know what creatine is, it's this nice powder that... 7. Get your raspberries. Make sure you wash them. I'm not sure if my dad did or not. I mean, I'm Hugh Jackman, I don't have a dad. I'm just gonna use 3. 8. Get some peanut butter. Sometimes I like to eat my peanut butter straight from the jar. Make sure you get that right on there. That's tasty stuff. Just look at that. Look at that. That's just some pumpkin pie ripe for the picking. Oh yeah. That's the stuff, man. Oh yeah. Oh, almost got peanut butter on my lens. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. That's nice. Let's get a full zoom in. Oh yeah. That's really nice. There we go. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow. Just because I'm feeling it, I'm gonna add some of my aunt's homemade syrup. Just a little dabble on the top. This has been the cooking show with Jennifer Lopez. I'll see you next time. See you guys. Bye.